Want to manage all your financial affairs from one place? We made it easy for you. Now you can manage all your account finances through our eCommerce 24/7. Log into your Logicom eCommerce account and navigate to My Account. To view your balance, select Account Dashboard on the left menu, and all the updated information will be available to you. To review the Statement of Account, select Statement of Account. Choose the appropriate dates and click Apply. Scrolling through the page to view details of your account. Alternatively, you can export the statement in CSV or PDF file format by clicking on Export to Excel or Generate Statement respectively. To download invoices, select My Invoices. Search via order number, document number, from to invoice posting date. You can choose multiple invoices and download posted invoice details or the relevant product serial numbers by clicking on Download Posted Invoice Details or download serial numbers respectively. If the pay column is blank, your invoice payment due date is still valid. If there is a green tick, your invoice is settled. And if there's a red X, it means that the invoice's payment due date expired. To overview your checks, select My Check Overview and find all details of submitted checks. To review credit notes, select My Credit Notes. Search by order number, document number, and from to order date. You can check the details of any order by clicking on View Details. Join the Logicom's e-commerce platform today and place your orders anywhere, anytime. Logicom Distribution, partners in your success.